Practice like you have never won, perform like you have never lost. Dear children, today in your computer, let's discuss Unit 4 Formulas and Functions in MS Excel book back question answers. Your first question, define formula in MS Excel. Write all these in your subject note, write it clearly and neatly. Okay. First point, formulas are equations that perform calculations on values in your worksheet. Second point, a formula starts with an equal sign. Second question, what are the different parts of formula? A formula can contain any or all the following parts. First one is functions, references, constants and operators. See, you have to write this example and then explain. Equal to, write this example, okay? Equal to pi, open bracket, close bracket, asterisk a2 caret 2. In this, which is a function? Pi, open bracket, close bracket is a function. Which is reference? A2 is the reference. Which is a constant? 2 is the constant. And which are the operators? Asterisk and caret are the operators. Okay. Third one, list the different types of operators. So there are 4 different types of calculation operators. They are arithmetic operator, comparison operator, text concatenation operator and the reference operator. Fourth question, what is text concatenation operator? The text concatenation operator uses the ampersand, that is in bracket, put the ampersand sign to join or concatenate one or more text strings to produce a single piece of text. Fifth one, what is a function in MS Excel? First point, functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations by using specific values called arguments in a particular order or structure. Second point, functions can be used to perform simple or complex calculations. After this fifth question, we'll move on to the sixth question. Explain and list out the arithmetic operators and its meaning with example. Arithmetic operator. To perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction or multiplication, combine numbers and produce numeric result, use the following arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operator, its meaning and the example. You can give any example. Okay. So first one is the plus sign, minus sign, asterisk, forward slash, percent sign, caret. Plus sign does the addition, minus subtraction or negation, asterisk multiplication, forward slash division, percentage sign is used to do percentage calculations, and caret does the exponentiation. Here for addition you can use any numbers, 5 plus 6, any numbers. Similarly for all these you can give any example. Okay. Your next one, explain the operator precedence. So write the heading operator precedence, operator, use or name and the description. So first one is the colon, space, comma. First colon is the range operator, space is the intersection operator, comma is the union operator, and all these are called reference operators. Next one is the minus, negative integers or negation, percent is percent, caret exponentiation. Don't change the order, write in the same order. Star, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, ampersand, which connects or concatenates 2 strings. Next one is the equal sign, comparison operator. Then comes the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, and last one finally it is the not equal to. And write this sentence also, Excel always calculates values from left to right. Okay. And this will be your 7th detail. 7th question, which is a detail. Next we'll see the 8th one. 8th question, what is nesting of function? Nesting function, write the heading. If a function is used as an argument of another function, then it is called nested function. Example, the following formula uses the nested average function and compares the result with the value 50. So, inga oru example kuduthirukanga, write that example. The average and sum functions are nested within the if function. So, this is an example for nesting function. Next, you will come to the 9th question. Write the structure of a function, which is a detail. First, write the syntax of the function. The following example of round function, rounding off a number in a cell A10, illustrates the syntax of the function. So, this is an example. Round A10 la irukra address la irukra values round off pannadhu for till 2 digits. So, this is explained. Write as such. Structure of the function. First one is the function name or the arguments. It has a structure. Function name, argument and argument tooltip. The structure of a function begins with an equal sign followed by the function name and opening parenthesis. The arguments for the function separated by commas and closing parenthesis. So this one fully is the structure. Okay. Next one, function name. For a list of the available functions, click a cell and press shift plus F3. So shift plus F3 click panningana a list of functions available ah kaamikum. Third one, arguments. Arguments can be numbers, text, logical values such as true or false, arrays, error values such as error value na asterisk potu n/e appdin kaamiko, or cell references. Idellame arguments irkalam. The arguments you designate must produce a valid value for that argument. Argument can also be constant, formulas or other functions. Last one is the argument tooltip. Argument tooltip with the syntax and the argument appears as you type the function. Argument tooltip na ungalku eppadi irukonu appdinu example kaamikudhu. See last la round, number, num digit nu kaamikudhula adha argument tooltip. Type round appdinu kaamichina argument tooltip appears only for built-in functions. So till this it's a detail for the 9th question. So all these you should write in your subject note. So thank you. Have a great day.